First at 4, the CDC has confirmed the 15th case of coronavirus in the U.S., and it is here in San Antonio. And we have just learned that the patient is now receiving treatment at Methodist Hospital Texan off I-10. The person was under a 2-week quarantine at Joint Base San Antonio Lackland. Now, this is video from when those travelers arrived. They were brought in on a plane from Wuhan, China, the epicenter of the outbreak. It touched down on Kelly Field last Friday. You can see people wearing full protective gear as they lead passengers wearing masks off the plane. Eyewitness News reporter Holly Stouffer joins us live now from Lackland. Holly, is there a risk to the community at this point?
Deborah, Mayor Ron Nirenberg says right now the risk is low. During a press conference earlier today, he says they've got the situation under control. They've prepared for this moment and they're following CDC procedures to make sure that this virus doesn't spread. There are 91 travelers here quarantined at the base. Lackland officials say this is the only person who showed any symptoms. The patient had a fever on Tuesday, and they were immediately taken to Methodist Hospital Texan off I-10, and a sample was sent to the CDC overnight for testing. Of course, that test did come back positive for the coronavirus. Lackland officials say they understand some people may be upset these travelers were here in the first place, but they say we should have empathy for them. They're just trying to get better and get home.
We're Americans. We bring our people home and we take care of them. And that's really what lies at the heart of this mission.
The remaining patients at Lackland are being checked twice a day. Someone takes a look at their temperature and also looks for any signs of symptoms. As long as no one else shows any symptoms, they are set to be released next Thursday. And Mayor Ron Nirenberg says for this patient's safety, they aren't going to be releasing any of their personal information, but we are told they're being kept in quarantine. Their room at the hospital is letting air in, but it's not letting any of that circulating air go to other rooms. And anyone who's treating this person also has to wear full protective gear. Live from Lackland Air Force Base, Holly Stouffer, KENS 5 Eyewitness News.
Well, Methodist Healthcare has confirmed to KENS 5 they are the ones treating the infected patient. Eyewitness News reporter Jordan Foster is outside of Methodist Hospital Texan off I-10. He continues our team coverage. Jordan?
That's right, Deborah. We just learned not too long ago that that patient was brought here to the Methodist Hospital Texan. In the press release sent to us earlier today, they say that that person was privately escorted through a secluded entrance to avoid areas occupied by the general public. They say that that person has been isolated at all times. Now, that person did, however, test positive for the coronavirus, but is in stable condition. And we have reached out to that hospital to get more information on exactly what's been taking place behind those doors, and we will continue to update you all with the latest information as it becomes available. For now, I'm live outside of the Methodist Hospital Texan. Jordan Foster, KENS 5 Eyewitness News.